vacation. I haven't made a video in a while, and I thought, hey, this is like the perfect opportunity to make one with all the fun stuff that I usually don't have. But I am on the coast in the one and only Hey, sorry it's so windy, but that's what you get when you're on the beach at Myrtle Beach. Hey look, my parents. If you guys don't know where Myrtle Beach is, that's in South Carolina on the east coast of the United States on the planet Earth. Just kidding.
North American continent.
Yeah, the North American continent on Earth. In the, what galaxy? Milky Way galaxy, just in case you didn't know. So our first trip was cut a little short. Well, we just got here like an hour ago, checked into our hotel, and we just decided to check out the beach, see how it is. It's really nice, but apparently they've got a small rainstorm going through, so I mean, we got a little bit of rain, but it's just like a tiny little cloud, so hopefully it'll be done soon.